natural rhythm of fleeting chants. The birds join in with a sweet refrain, their melodies echoing across the plain. Each note a tribute to the sky, a soaring hymn that never dies. The rivers flow with gentle grace, a peaceful current, a constant pace, a reflection of the earth's own heart, a timeless melody that won't depart. The sun sets in, a blaze of gold, a canvas of colors, a sight to behold. Stars emerge, a twinkling choir, a reminder of the universe's grandeur. Nature's symphony, an endless song, a celebration of life where we belong. A reminder that we are but a part